how you can cancel order on Shein.
How to enable Google Authenticator on your Binance app. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to give you a quick guide on how you can use Google Authenticator on your Binance app. So make sure to watch this video till the end. But before watching, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe option. So first thing first, open your Binance app, and in order to access the setting of using Google Authenticator on your app, you need to verify your account. You can see here I haven't verified my account, but I will briefly tell you on how you can use a Google Authenticator on your Binance app. So first of all, you need to log in your Binance account and tap on the profile icon, then tap on the security. And here you will be able to see this interface that I'm showing on my screen. You can see the screenshots here. So here, tap on the toggle button and you need and download the Google Authenticator app on your device. If you have already installed the app, just tap on the link to continue. Just go to your Google Authenticator. After going to your Google Authenticator, you will be seeing this. Just enable the option of Google Authenticator and tap on this yellow arrow. So after tapping on it, you will be able to see a 16-digit backup key on the screen. Please save the key on paper and store it in a secure location. After that, open the Google Authenticator app and tap or enter the security key and enter your Binance account details and paste the 16-digit setup key that you just saved and tap on add, and you should be able to see a 6-digit code which you will be able to use on your Binance app to verify. Now go back to the Binance app to verify your setup request with the devices, including the newly enabled Google Authenticator. You will be receiving a verification code. Just copy and paste it. And after that, whenever you will try entering into your Binance account, you will need to enter the verification code from Google Authenticator into your account to withdraw your funds and also verify your identity. So in this way, you can use Google Authenticator or enable Google Authenticator onto your Binance app. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.